Hey fellow travelers, if you're like me, you know that smart packing makes all the difference. Today I'm sharing 3 Amazon finds that have changed how I pack for every trip. Tripped travel gear compression packing cube, an EU international plug adapter with multiple ports, and small silicone zip-top pouches. Let's dive into it. Hello, welcome, and for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel. First up, these Tripped travel gear compression packing cubes. These are a game changer. These cubes are designed to compress your clothes, saving up to 60% in your luggage. I love how durable and lightweight they are. They're made from water-resistant ripstop nylon. Packing, unpacking is a breeze. Watch this. I just zip it up and voila, my bulky sweaters take up half the space. Whether you're a minimalist packer or someone who likes to bring extra outfits, these cubes keep your bag organized and efficient. And if you're worried about wrinkles, don't be. Just roll your clothes before packing and you'll be good to go. One of the things I like about these cubes is they give you these little labels that you can either make your own or use the printed ones that they have. But if you have multiple people using these packing cubes, you just put the label in the coordinating packing cube and it keeps it straight. This has 2 sides. One side has a special lining. The idea here is to put your dirty clothes in the separate liner, keeping your dirty clothes separated from your clean clothes. Brilliant. I ordered the 2-pack. It came with 2 medium packing cubes. 1 packing cube, I was able to fit enough clothes for 1 week of travel in my capsule wardrobe. You will see this showcased in our Packing for Italy video. Next, if you're headed to Europe, this EU international plug adapter is a must. It's compact, powerful, 3 ports, 2 USB-C, 1 USB, and 2 regular North American plugs. That means you can charge your phone, tablet, and camera all at once. I can't tell you how much I appreciate not having to fight over an outlet in a hotel room or a coffee shop. Its lightweight design means you can toss it in your carry-on or your in-flight essentials bag without a second thought. Definitely a lifesaver for us tech-savvy travelers. We don't have to carry multiple plugs. Just take this one plug adapter. And finally, these silicone zip-top pouches are my secret weapon for keeping small items safe and organized. They're perfect for jewelry, medication, vitamins, even loose cords. They're made from food-grade silicone. They're waterproof, reusable, and super easy to clean. The fun colors also help me keep very organized. You will see these quite often in my nighttime bedside table bag. I keep my vitamins in there so I don't forget to take my vitamins when I go to bed. These 3 products have made my travel smoother and more organized, and I can't recommend them enough. If you're interested, I've linked them in the description below. Let me know in the comments which one you'd try first or share your must-have travel products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel trips and tricks. Happy travels! We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out.